Welcome to I Have the Power Query. When you have an Excel problem that you need to solve quickly, there's Quick Query. Surely there's an easy way to copy data from multiple sheets into one big table without wasting time. There is with Power Query. If this is your first time to Power Query, we've got a Power Query 101 playlist ready and waiting for you. Make sure you subscribe so you can start using Excel with power. We've received a customer list from another department, and they have, helpfully, placed each month's sales on a separate sheet. What we wanted, though, was the data in one big table. We'll take a quick look at the different sheets to check that the structure is consistent. Looks good. Close the customer list and go to a new Excel file. Go to Data, Get Data, From File and From Workbook. Navigate to the customer list file. Select it and press Import. This dialog box will appear with the sheets in alphabetical order. I'm selecting the top one, April, to double check the structure. Pressing Load here would just import the April data. That's not what we want, so go to Transform Data to open the Power Query editor. Power Query has automatically performed the steps necessary to bring in April only. Delete every step, excluding source, and you'll see this table. This table shows you the sheets available for import. The only column we need is Data. Right-click on Data and select Remove Other Columns. Click on the double diverging arrows and import every column, unticking Use Original Column Name as prefix. On Home, click Use First Row as headers, and that does what it says. Change the data types. Make customer number a whole number. But when I scroll down the table, I see a few errors. What's going on? The message box tells me that the words customer number aren't numbers. Customer number is the header text from the other sheets. Easy to fix. Come up to Remove Rows, Remove Errors, and that sorts out the extra header rows. Change date to date and price to currency. I'm going to sort the date in descending order too. Home, close and load to, and load the data to an existing sheet. Easy as that, all the sheets copied into one. The helpful person who provided the customer list has realised that they forgot to add in the latest month of data. Double-click on the query and come back into the Power Query editor. Come up to Source and click on the cog. This allows you to change one part of the query without having to start over. Navigate to the new report and click Import. Click OK on this dialog box. Come to the last step to check the data is in. There it is, January 2021. Close and load, and the new data is imported with the minimum of fuss. And that's a quick query, quickly bringing in all sheets into a single sheet and easily adding others when you get an updated report. Check out the 101 series to learn more about Power Query.